What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some interesting toys. So you have a dog that needs a little more attention, but you don't have time to give him that kind of attention, or her. I have a dog and a cat, but you know, the cat is like 700 years old, and my dog Mocha, she is a young, rambunctious puppy. Well, she's about 2 years old now. So she's got a lot of energy, and well, my cat just doesn't give her the satisfaction that she needs, and and we're not always at home. So I thought I'm gonna get some things that hopefully will help her. I figured why not share it with you guys, because I'm not the only one with the dog and I can't be the only one with this problem. We got 3 different products here. We've got the Tumbo Tugger. This is a really cool like bungee cable with a rope, a knot rope at the end of it that you hang from a tree, and they can just play all day on that thing. I'm curious to see if this is gonna work, but it really looks like it'd be a good idea. Second is the Kong Classic. Now these have been around for a long time. They're good for training. They're also just good for giving them treats and keeping them busy. So I got a Kong toy and I got the Kong treats. Now you stick the treats in the toy and then you just give it to them and just watch them go at it. And then I've got this laser toy. Now, lasers, they're pretty dime a dozen. This is actually advertised as a cat toy, but my dog loves lasers. She will chase this thing all day. And I found this one especially interesting because it's fully rechargeable and it has multiple functions, and I'll show you that here in a second. So first off, let's look at the Kong Classic. Now it's made out of a super duper thick rubber. Let me get it out of here. There we go. It's got this very odd design, and it's actually made this way for a reason. If you throw it, it has a very unpredictable way of bouncing because of its design, and it just keeps dogs even more interested. They chase after it, they don't know where it's gonna go, and they do that weird, funny shuffle. And then it's got this huge hollow cavernous area here that you shove treats into. Now you don't have to use these treats. You can use anything. You can fill it with peanut butter even and just watch them lick it. It'll keep them busy for a while. And not only that, but they come in like a ton of sizes. This one is actually the large size. They have extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. So if you got a really big dog, Kong has you covered. The treats that I got, this is the peanut butter flavored one. What dog doesn't like peanut butter? But they're specially designed for the Kong toy. Now see if I can do this without making such a mess. Smells actually good. But you squeeze it to get it inside. There we go. Push it in there, and you throw a few of them in there, and it keeps them going crazy for this thing for a while, because they're like, I smell it and I want it. But don't worry, they will bite. They'll bite it enough, they'll crunch on it enough to where it'll start breaking up and falling out of the hole. So you just throw like 2 or 3 of them in there. There we go. Just get it in there. All right, so this is adjustable. You've got like 10 foot of bungee. You can adjust it. Oh, there we go. I don't know what that is, and the instructions. So we've got the rope knot, and this is of course what they're gonna be chewing on, and if you got a funny dog, some of them like to hang on them. I don't know if the bungee's gonna be strong enough for that or if it'll just pull it down, but you got this super thick tug toy. This is what you use to actually attach this, and I believe, yeah, okay, so you just do this, there. So you attach it like that. Oh yeah. Now I wouldn't go bungee jumping with this. This is not made for that. It's definitely made out of a very strong nylon material, but you can see how stretchy it is. When you find the branch that you're looking for, you stick it in there, and then it basically just straps onto the branch. And then you just hang it, really. Another cool thing about something like this, everybody I'm sure that has a dog has toys in the yard, and they either A, get lost, or they get destroyed by the lawnmower. Before you know it, it's too late and it's gone. And it could possibly mess up your lawnmower. Now this is gonna stay out of the way. You can leave this outside. This is all weatherized stuff, real thick rubber, real heavy duty nylon. So I'm curious to see what Mocha thinks of this. This is gonna be really cool. We're gonna test all these out shortly. I'm actually kind of excited for this because it has multiple functions. The main reason why I got this laser is because it is rechargeable. You got a micro USB port right there. It comes with a little tiny USB to micro USB cable. To use it, you've got this little switch. It has 3 different functions on it. Push it forward once and you've got this laser. Very cool. And then you hit it again, you've got a UV light. Now they're saying that you could find like, you know, pee stains and stuff like that. So if you think your dog peed or something, maybe you've got a floor that, you know, it's hard to see it and maybe you cleaned it up, but you wanna make sure you got it all. I don't know if this is really gonna work or not. I thought you had to have some kind of glasses or something, you know, like the CSI. I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna definitely test it out. And then the third one, you push it forward and you've got a really bright LED light let's go ahead and go outside and set this stuff up and meet our star of the video. And let's see how she likes these things. Let's go. I'm gonna need all this stuff. Get this, all the crumbs. I'll eat those later. Okay, so as you can see, I have put it up on this tree right here. Mocha has not seen it yet, so I'm gonna go get her. Yeah. So I may have to pull it up a little bit because it looks like she's grabbing onto the black part. That could be, I think that's replaceable. I think they sell replaceable little ropes for that, but seems to be working out pretty good. She loves it. Get it, Mocha, get it. It's working. She just wants to use it as a ball right now. She likes it because she loves playing fetch. You want to bring it back to me. You want me to throw it again, huh? All right. Good girl. She's not really paying much attention to the treats. She's more into the fetch. Look down, Mocha. Look down. No, look at the floor. It's right there in front of you. There it is. Look. I don't think she can see it. It's against the fence. There we go. She sees it. Oh yeah, she goes crazy over it. But this is like the quickest way to get your dog fully energized out and ready for bed. The thing with her is she is completely obsessed with this laser. That now she's gonna spend literally the rest of the evening looking at the floor thinking, where is it, where is it? Anyway, I think it's a little overload for her, but overall, I think it's a success. The little rope tug of war, the tugger roper thing, I think that's gonna be primo for whenever she's out here running about. Gives her something else to do, and yeah, the Kong is definitely gonna keep her busy in the evenings, gives her something to work for, but highly suggested. She is a prime example of energy. So she is waiting for that laser. You want the laser? It's behind you. I have it behind, you're not looking, whatever. So at nighttime it works fantastic, but if you have an animal that needs some energy to be burned off, definitely look into some of these things. That's exactly why I got them. Oh, you know, and I almost forgot to mention, the LED light is really bright. It is really good. I actually really like it, and because it's rechargeable, it's gonna be great to have. The UV light, I don't know, I actually put it like on her favorite blanket, which you'd think there'd be like a little bit of urine or something. I didn't see anything, so I don't really know. I don't think that's a thing, but if I'm doing it wrong, let me know down below. Do I need glasses or something like the CSI people? I don't know. Let me know down below. Anyway, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. Go check them out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here. Mocha, you doing all right? You having trouble? I got the laser. It's right behind you. It's right there. How do you not see it? Just turn your head. Look, it's right there. I'm like pushing, come on, there it is. Up, there we go. Go get it.